Good morning everyone. My name is Kanika and I am your science teacher from Vidya Bal Bhawan Sr Secondary School. Today we are going to start a topic from the chapter Force and Pressure. We have already studied about force. So you must be aware what is force. Force is push or pull, right? So what is pressure? Pressure is a force acting on a unit area. Means when a force is applied on a particular area, it is known as pressure. We have a formula to calculate the pressure, that is force upon area. There is a unit for the pressure too, that is Newton per meter square. How we have derived it? We have derived this unit from this formula. How so? You must be aware that the unit of force is Newton and the unit of area is meter square. So the unit of pressure will be Newton per meter square. That is Newton per meter square. And there is one more unit of pressure, that is Pascal. We have taken this unit from the name of a physicist Blaise Pascal. So we have two units for the pressure. One is Newton per meter square and other one is Pascal. 1 kilopascal is equal to 1000 Pascal. Now factors affecting pressure. There are two factors that affect the pressure. First one is force and second one is area. If we will increase the amount of force, then the pressure will also increase. If we will decrease the amount of force, the pressure will also decrease. This means the pressure is directly proportional to the force. And the second factor that affects the pressure is area. Area is inversely proportional to the pressure. This means when we will decrease the area of contact, the pressure will increase. And if we will increase the area of contact, the pressure will decrease. We can take an example for the better understanding. Suppose you are having a school bag and the strap of that bag is very thin. What will happen? There will be a large amount of pressure on your shoulder. Why so? Because the area of contact between the bag and your shoulder is very thin. But when you will increase the area of contact, that is the strap is thicker, what will happen? The pressure on your shoulder will be very less. This means when area will be smaller, the pressure will be higher. When the area is larger, the pressure will be smaller. We can take two cases again for the better understanding. In first case, I have taken sand and brick. In second case, I have taken that very sand and that very brick. But in first case, the brick is kept horizontally and in second case, the brick is kept vertically. In first case, what will happen? The area of contact between the sand and brick is much higher. Then in second case, what will happen? The brick is kept vertically, so the pressure will be higher. Why so? The area of contact between brick and sand is very less, so the pressure as compared to case 1 will be much higher. There are many applications of this topic. First one is that I have already told you about the strap of the bag. When a person is purchasing a bag, they should take care when they are purchasing a bag, the strap of that bag should be much thicker because it will decrease the pressure on your shoulder. The second application of this topic is cutting an apple into two equal halves. When you are cutting an apple, you must take care that the knife should have very sharp end. Why so? Because the area of contact between the apple and knife will be much lesser, so the pressure will be higher. But by any chance, if you took a knife having blunt end, what will happen? Yes, the apple will not be cut into two halves. Why so? Because the area of contact between the apple and the knife is much higher, so the pressure will decrease. When there is no large amount of pressure, the apple will not be cut into two equal halves. Third application of this topic is caterpillar track of army tanks. You must have seen that army tanks do not have simple example, wheels, they have a track kind of thing that is known as caterpillar track. Why so? Because that caterpillar track increases the surface area, or we can say the area of contact between the ground and the tank. So when we are increasing the contact of area, the pressure is lesser. So the tank will not penetrate the ground. Thank you, class.